The ghd Duet Blowdry-Hair dryer brush combines a powerful hair dryer and a smoothing brush into one streamlined tool designed to take hair from wet to styled in a single step. It aims to deliver a salon-quality finish at home while helping reduce heat exposure and overall styling effort. Its wet-to-dry technology uses controlled airflow and regulated heat to remove moisture efficiently without relying on extreme temperatures. This helps shorten drying time while maintaining hair integrity. Air is distributed evenly through the brush body, so each section is dried consistently, reducing the need for repeated passes and improving overall smoothness. Designed for frizz control and shine, the smoothing bristles help align hair strands as they pass through, leaving a soft, polished finish. It works especially well on frizz-prone or wavy hair, creating a blowout effect with natural movement rather than stiffness. The balance of volume and sleekness makes it suitable for both casual everyday looks and more refined styling when needed. The tool is intuitive to use, with a brush-like form that simplifies styling for users who want efficiency without handling multiple devices. It reduces effort compared to traditional blow-drying methods and maintains steady performance throughout the styling process. While slightly heavier than standard brushes due to its built-in technology, it feels solid and durable in hand, contributing to a premium user experience. Overall, it stands out as a convenient all-in-one solution for faster drying, smoother results, and a more controlled at-home blowout experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.